This vegetable will keep you very strong. Pharmacies hate it. Among the foods of the category of the vegetables that we have available between the foods in our store or habitual supermarket, is the red pepper. This food belongs to the group of fresh vegetables. Below you can see information about the nutritional characteristics, properties and benefits that the red pepper brings to your body, as well as the amount of each of its main nutrients. Red peppers are the kings of the party at any buffet. The red pepper is crispy and surprisingly sweet, therefore, they are an easy sale for anyone who does not like vegetables. The only limiting factor for their acquisition is that they can be expensive in winter. In summer, red peppers are cheaper, especially if domestic purchases. Paprika and chilies offer the same benefits, but with additional capsaicin, a chemical that can produce a burning sensation in the mouth. It has been shown that this stimulating heat increases blood flow, making it a popular remedy for libido and pain relief. 1. They are rich in lycopene, a natural vegetable pigment of the carotenoid group, with antioxidant properties, which several scientific studies show protects cells from oxidative stress and prevents prostate cancer. 2. People with anemia can benefit considerably from red pepper consumption, according to a paper published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Thanks to its high content of vitamin C, this vegetable favors the absorption of iron from food in the digestive tract. 3. Red peppers contain vitamin B6 and magnesium, and this combination reduces anxiety and insomnia. In addition, vitamin B6 is a natural diuretic, so including this food in the diet contributes to avoid hypertension. 4. Because of their content in beta-carotene, capsaicin, quercetine and luteolin, red peppers prevent bad cholesterol, as revealed in a study published in the Journal of Food Science. 5. In addition, a diet rich in luteolin reduces age-related inflammation in the brain and memory deficits linked to aging, as published in the Journal